Hey everybody, it's Jared with Elise Guitars again. We are ready to get going on our neck. So we are going to clean up from the lamination and we're going to get to work on the peg head, the fretboard, the mortise and tenon, laying out the scale, and carving the neck eventually. There's a lot to do, so let's get to it. All right, let's get this thing out of the clamps. Here we go. So there's our neck. As you can see, there's quite a bit to clean up. Get this cleaned up for the mortise and tenon. Get this cleaned up for the peg head. Plane this down to get this all level and get ready to install our truss rod. But you can see that's nicely lined up. There's not going to be much to true up at all here. And then we will plane this down and get to it. I'm going to use the bandsaw to get that cleaned up. So here's the neck somewhat cleaned up. Got most of these close. So here is the walnut and white fiber strip lamination. You can get a little better idea how that's going to look. I'm going to wipe it with alcohol. So that'll have a really nice contrast after we put a finish on it. Okay, now that we have this neck taking shape a little bit, what's next? Well, the first thing I want to do is get this area on the top where the fretboard's going to sit, to get that plane down perfectly flat, get all this glue off, and get the lamination nice and flush. Once we have that set, we can lay out our scale, so figure out where the 14th fret to the body is, figure out where the nut is back here, and then we can work on thicknessing the peg head. So let's get that done. When I surface this and get this flat, I also want to take a lot of care to maintain the square of this to the side, because I want to always make sure that this lamination is as vertical as possible. I don't want to mess this up. I put a lot of work into this and want to keep this as my center line on the top, the back, as well as all the way through on the heel that you'll be able to see once this is nicely carved. Okay, I am happy with this. At this point, that's nice and square there, nice and square here, and more importantly to me at this point, that is square to the lamination. I'm happy with that. Now that we have this flat, square, and squared up on the lamination, we can start to work on the peg head. Now that I've got the top of the neck flat, I also want to touch this up and get this peg head flat as well and planed, because I do have this strip coming up in the middle. In order for me to do anything on the back side of it, I also have this strip that I need to sand, and I'm going to use my spindle sander for that, so I need a nice flat front to do that. So I'll get this peg head trimmed up right now as well. I just had some glue there that I needed to scrape off. Scraper usually works better than a plane. I wanted to put a line across there where the back of the nut is going to sit, where this angle officially starts. This is super flat all the way across. Good there. That's good. I have one little spot, maybe a 1/2 millimeter, that I want to touch up right there. Did it? Perfect. Okay, so this is set, this is set, and now I want to trim up the back of the peg head, and like I said, I'm going to do that on the spindle sander.